Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. It's your boy Rollins Northeast Rider / Gamer. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for regular notifications, like the video and share with your friends. Today's video is about a VPN trick for PUBG Mobile where we can get Lobster set dress, RP mission card, crate coupon card, silver fragments, and Oppo Reno t-shirt. All we have to do is download the Ultimate VPN app or any other VPN from the Play Store and connect to France server. Once it is successfully connected, open the PUBG Mobile game in your phone. Remember to connect to the France server first successfully, then you open the PUBG game in your phone. After you open the game, you will have to go through the events option down at the right corner, where you will see the summer vacation login awards. On everyday login you will get new rewards like t-shirt, RP mission card, crate coupon, and my favorite reward is the Lobster dress set. So guys, try this trick, claim the rewards, and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Please share the video with your PUBG friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it. See you in the next video. Peace.